Welcome back, everybody. Wanted to thank everybody for watching my cabinet building videos. This transformation in this living room is significant. There will be a pretty big reveal at the end. I haven't checked the comments on the last video in a while, but what were all those ladies singing and yapping about? The stories I wish I could tell on YouTube. They all have to go on Patreon. There's a full explanation on Patreon. I've been working around the clock for the last 6 weeks, been recording everything. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, maybe click the bell and select all. Like, I want to be notified every time this guy posts a video. A little bit of a burn there I got to work out, and there's remnants of a burn right there. That burn is from the milling process, but overall it looks pretty good. This is just one side, one face frame for one cabinet. There's a little update. These are the doors, all cut up. Now it's time to run them through the router table and put it all together. We are set to go. First door, just squeezed together by hand. No clamps, no glue. It's fitting together perfect. Two more, and then this is mostly done. I just got to cut the panels that go in the inside. I got one set of doors ready to glue up and sand and seal. Now I got to do it all over again. So instead of making you watch me do the exact same thing twice, I'm just going to skip to when this set of doors is done and it's time to glue them up and finish them. Well, I'm glad I stuck it out and glued these all up. That's going to save me nearly an entire day. Because if I waited till tomorrow to glue them up, well then they're in the way. I'm going to get them all laid flat here so they don't get warped or anything. Well, tomorrow these will all be dried. I can move the frames and the doors out and start working on the two boxes. Once I get those two boxes done, I will have rounded the corner in this project. Of course, there is all the, the finishing. I do have to build these other 4 semi-floating shelves. It's going to be a unique way to build them, where they slide in over the top of some. Good night. It's they say 2:40 in the morning. My son graduates kindergarten at 7:35 a.m.